Hola chicos, buenos días. Hoy vamos a hablar de los AR verbos o los AR verbs in present tense. Los AR verbos o los AR verbs son verbos regulares en español, which means they are regular verbs in Spanish. Ellos tienen una conjugación que es la misma. They have a conjugation pattern. Y todos los verbos siguen estas reglas. Most of the verbs follow these rules. Pero ustedes se preguntan qué es la raíz or what is the stem. The stem is the part of the verb that is before the AR. So right here. Como podemos ver, los AR verbs tienen unos finales que se usan en presente simple. Para esos finales son el pronombre yo, which means I. The ending part will be O. Tú, which means you. The ending part for the AR verb will be as. Él, ella, usted, which is she, he, and you in a formal way, is a. Nosotros, nosotras, which means we. The ending part will be amos. Vosotros y vosotras, which is the plural way you say you, is ais. Ellos, ellas, y ustedes, which is they, but in fem for women. And you in plural is am. Something that I want to highlight is that vosotros and vosotras is more commonly used in Spain. In all the other Latin American countries, it's not very common, but it's also used. So I just want you to bear that in mind. Intentemos. Let's give it a try. Tenemos el verbo cocinar. We have the verb cocinar, which means to cook. Now, remember when we talked about the stem? So we are only gonna use the stem here. So this would be the stem right there. So what we do is that we use the stem and then we use the ending that I just taught you in the previous slide. So we combine them in one word and then we will have the conjugation for the AR verbs in present tense. So you say yo cocino because the O belongs to yo. Tú cocinas. Once again the stem here and then the AS right there. Cocinas. Él, ella, usted cocina. Nosotros cocinamos. Vosotros cocináis. Ellos, ellas y ustedes cocinan. So once again, the stem is the part of the verb that is before the AR. And what is in blue right there is the conjugation pattern that we just learned in the previous slide. And I have it here for you to guide yourself. Practiquemos. Let's practice. We're gonna use the verb estudiar, which means to study. You wanna give it a try? You say, yo estudi. What would be the end part? Tú estudi. Once again, try to memorize that. Try to do it yourself, and then we'll see the answer. Él estudi. Nosotros estudi. y vosotros estudi. So as you can see, the ending parts are missing here. So what I want you to do is, in your house, right where you are right now, try to complete those parts with the endings that I taught you in the previous slides. Are you ready? Let's see the answers. Respuestas, answers. So we have yo estudio, tú estudias, él estudia, nosotros estudiamos y vosotros estudiáis. Don't forget the endings for each one of the pronouns and to separate the stem of the word so you can put the endings, and then you will have the conjugation of the verbs in present tense. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me and I will be glad to answer those questions. Please don't forget, practice makes perfect. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.